Yo, yo, yo. I don't know what else to say when we start. We need like a special rat tagline or something to say. So I kind of already took I don't know why, but I was feeling a little extra nervous or pressure this morning. So I got on to get my funded account trades out of the way, so I'm not I don't have that waiting for me at the end of the stream. I just wanted to get that done and over with before we even started. And since there was news this morning, I figured it was safe to get on and look for a scalp. So we got 15 ticks with 3 minis on each of the fundeds on Apex and the Boolinox. I'm just working on uploading those to TraderView. TraderView, not TradingView. I like logging the trades and seeing them like on a calendar chart and seeing like, okay, this is how much I made this day, this day, this day. At the same time, I start, I think I get nervous as I put green days behind me because I'm like, I'm going to have a red day soon. And then I start anticipating it. And I think that's what happened this morning. But I don't know. I just woke up knowing that I had anxiety for the trading session, and it's not from the eval that we trade on the stream because I don't really care. That's just an eval. I would like to time passing that at the end of the month. So we've got basically 3 weeks left. I don't want to pass it before then because I don't really want to pay. We can use a payout to pay for it. Yeah, once I start getting some once I get a good amount of green days behind me, I just start getting anxiety thinking that I'm gonna, I don't know, like lose it all or something. Because I mean, historically, that's what we've done. So I feel like I'm crazy to think that I'm not going to do that this time, but I can't think like that. Why am I letting these negative thoughts come in? Trying to get these trades uploaded, but why is it? There we go. So this is looking pretty good. Here's May so far after this morning. These 2 days are this first week, and these days are just the Apex account. But yesterday we got the Boolinox funded, so now we've got that being added. That one's nowhere near payout levels because we've only done like two $200-ish days. But assuming we keep this up, we're gonna be in good shape. Yes, Joseph. I'm setting my take profit at 15 ticks, and today I did 3 minis. No green screen. I use a program called NVIDIA Broadcast, and it does a pretty damn good job at removing the background. I also use it on the microphone to help cut out background noise. But yeah, I'm just going for, I mean, some of these days I definitely moved my take profit and or took more than one trade, as you can see. Like this day. So this is one of my problems. Monday I had a red day. It says I took 9 trades. I don't know how it's counting them, because sometimes it pushes them together. Not pushes them together, what's the word? Combines some stuff weirdly. But I had a red day Monday. Going into Tuesday, I was like, I need to get that back. So I ended up taking 8 trades. It worked in my favor, but the problem is I can't do that because I'm going to end up having a worse red day the next day. So I still need to work on this. Just because I have a red day on one day, the next day needs to go right back to $200-ish a day, or per account. I mean, like I said, it worked in my favor on Tuesday. However, I can't do that. I just can't do it. So I need to be on the lookout for that. But doing pretty good. The Apex account is at, like, I'm on track to, I don't have to trade it. I need to trade to log more days, but I can take money out of it this pay cycle at the end of the week. Or I think tomorrow starts the day that you can take it out, but Friday will be my 10th trading day. So I still need to trade it the next 3 days. Even if I take 3 losing trades, as long as they're manageable, I can still take out probably the max of 2,000. I'm over 3,500, I think, on it. So that's our plan. But trying to not think about it, but it's really hard to not think about it because we haven't done this good in a long time. All right, let's get all this crap ready, shall we? My Apex evaluation account is already up this morning because I accidentally took a trade on it when I was trying to take a trade on my fundeds. So it's already up 140. But I'll show you the trade. Also, like I said, I can't, I really want to do this, and I can't risk being on stream and that affecting me. So we're going to not. I think I did 3. Quantower's weird. It's showing 2, but then there's another one right underneath it. I'm pretty sure I did 3. Yeah, I did 3 minis. And I bought here and then sold there just for 15 ticks. And that was $225. Just this little tiny move right here. 3.75 points. Why the hell are we trying to figure out all this garbage when this right here is $200? But that's all I'm doing on my funded accounts is that right there. Like I'm not, yeah, I don't know. And putting it on a calendar and seeing it every day, like look at 200, 300, all these days they add up, and like this is all I got to do. It could delta, but you're going to have a much higher win rate aiming for smaller points, especially because Nasdaq moves back and forth constantly. So you could probably already have a high win rate aiming for 3 points without any technical analysis whatsoever. You could just buy and probably get 2 or 3 points most of the time. If you add a little bit of technical analysis to try to read the market. Oh, wait. Okay, that's not okay, hold on. That was on my eval on accident. I wanted this to be on my funded. Sorry. Here's the funded. This is the funded trade. After I just got that long, then I longed again on the fundeds, 3, and but same amount of points, same concept. For sure. Yes, I take into consideration the bigger moves. You've heard me and seen me read the markets, and then I apply that to the smaller moves. But I just look to get in and get out instead of sitting around waiting for it to dick around doing whatever it's doing, which then messes with your emotions and your mental capital and all that. Just about looks like I went down 4 points and then we got 3.7. However, I don't think that's a problem on these accounts. My thought is the amount of money I have in an account is so small compared to what the potential is that account can make me that it's okay. I don't think we're gonna have time to. Let me see if I can try to get this bot set up real quick. Frick. We got to do it before 9:29. 9:29:59. Uh-oh. Come on. It's going to do 2. Run. I think we did it. Yeah, I'm willing to go in a little bit of more drawdown on these trades with these accounts. And I think it's okay. And so far it's been working. So that's another reason why I take these trades without you guys, because, oh, what the frick? Latency issues again. Come on. No, look how close I got. I don't think it's going to go. Is it? There we go. All right, another bot win. I almost put it on minis today just because we were already up and it would just be more exciting. So that was again, that was like $22 with micros. If that was minis, that'd be 200. I need to get a account just to trade this open like that. I did it like a month ago and it blew the account in 1 month because I had it on like 3 minis. and the market was not doing these opens like that, and then of course now it's working perfectly fine as I run it on micros. But you know, the day I turn it to minis, it's going to start failing. You know damn well. I did not do any analysis whatsoever. We still got that 351 up there, and we made more. Oh no, that's the equal high that we were looking at yesterday. So I guess, I mean, we, with this wick, is that news? I'm assuming. I guess we can target 18,351. It's just what I'm thinking. What was your prime trade? So ES made it up above its 830 high, or at 830. This is ES. It took out the highs. Nasdaq did not. We'll do three micros since we are starting off green today. We're up 160 at the moment between my accidental trade and that opening bot trade. I still like highs. I still like Nasdaq going up to that 350. Off of a 4-hour order block. What's up, Tyler? I feel like Nasdaq wants to go higher, but ES wants to go lower. So who's going to win? Look at ES over here. I just want 351 to get taken out. Been wanting that since yesterday. Oh, we'll see, Tyler. Yeah, I see that delta. ES already took out those highs, and Nasdaq has not. And Nasdaq has also traded down into its fair value gap right here and is leaving it. ES is currently trading down into it. So maybe it's just lagging and then it's going to follow Nasdaq. Let's hope. What's up, Grim? This is for Grim and Tyler. This is like a carefree trade. We're already green on both of the funded accounts. This account is already green because I accidentally traded it. Plus, it took the opening candle trade for a win. So I ended up taking a trade on my funded accounts this morning before I started the stream because I was just feeling extra pressure and nervous and anxiety for whatever reason. So I just want to get that out of the way. So both of those are up to 20-ish or something like that. I think we go back down into the new play. The news. I don't know. I like it coming up to this 351 because when I was looking at the higher time frames, we wicked down beneath all these lows. Delta was saying we were in an order block, so maybe that was it. Maybe it's going to go a little higher now. I don't think the market should be going any higher. But we have this equal high from that I pointed out yesterday. We have a high right here and a high right there that I thought we were gonna take that out yesterday, and we didn't. All right, Nasdaq is going up to its 830 right now. I mean, we're up 15, 16, 17 points. I of course want more. I want 60. Maybe I need to start taking my funded trade in the pre-market because I can't tell you the amount of anxiety that I don't have right now. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Why is he talking? Nasdaq still hasn't taken it out. He wants to dump the market. I almost woke up, or I almost got on the charts earlier to run the bot at this 829 candle. I should have. We need to start doing that. People in power know for sure, Grim. I don't doubt that. We'll never know, and nothing will ever be done about it. The people on Wall Street Bets make those, and it's so freaking funny. All right, we're taking out the highs now on Nasdaq. The highs from overnight are up at 310. We're up 24, 25 points, 30 points, 32 points. I need to be smart, and I'm just going to take that. I know Alito would be telling me to just take my points. Plus, that was 3 micros, and we haven't been trading 3 micros, so we got a little extra. So 82 to 09. We got 26 points. Not going to complain about that. We're up 317 on it now today. That's a respectable amount, right? $317.94. We'll take it. Go, appreciate it. I would love for this to go higher, but the market just has not been. It probably will now because we're not in the trade, but just like what I said with my funded accounts, I only take I take less than 4 points a day, or that's what I aim for on the funded accounts. You don't need more. As I say this, it's going to run up to that target at 351. But that's okay. We got our money. We secured it. And it's ours. Well, that was nothing today, Grim. I think that was fine. Plus with Powell going to be getting on the mic in 15 minutes. You just can't be too sure what this is going to do. Nasdaq is up at the highs, so it could very well turn around here. We could keep going. We could just start chopping around. But 20 what did I say, 25-ish points, 26 points, that's a good amount for a trade. Yeah, you can't do that. That's how you start making bad decisions. You got to just be accepting of what you got. Look, I bought 3 minis. Let me see. Sometimes minis don't show up on here. You guys can't see. There's a little window that popped up. Why is it not showing up? There we go. We're going right to 351, aren't we? Look, I bought 3 minis right here down at 265. We came back to that entry, but after we were in the green, we never went down into the red, and I could have just been holding that this whole time, but there's no need. We'd be up $3,000 right now, but it's not worth the risk. I'll take my 200 or 220 or whatever it was. We are going right to 351. God damn it. Yeah, I'm just looking to stay consistent with what I've been doing. And I don't know why, but I land on 200-ish a day. That's where I like to be at. If it's a little more, cool. If it's a little less, cool. But that's what I aim for. Sometimes I do get a little more. Sometimes I do get a little less. But with 2 accounts, now we're at 400 and at 100,000 a year. And we're working on a third eval right now. Then we're going to be at 150 a year. Yep. Well, let's slow down there, Graham. Let's slow down one at a time. I love thinking about like the 20 accounts, but I can't. I gotta just look at what I have in front of me. We've got 1 eval to work on. It's too much pressure if I look down the road too far. It's too much pressure with me thinking that I can take a payout this Friday, another payout. That's why I had extra nerves this morning, because we're getting close to that. Yeah, I don't know how many I'll get. We'll just see how it goes. Yo, not your boy Rat Lord. I'm telling you. Couple points. Couple minis. Be done. You can't get worked up over this crap. Especially Monday on a before PP news and stuff, to view like older history of charts. It's depending on your okay, well I guess Alito. Plus, like, I pay for a separate data feed for historical stuff, because I wasn't sure how far Rhythmic would go back. Oh, off of that? Yeah, I don't know. I can't test it because I do pay for this. I could log out. All right, I logged out. I already logged out. It's too late, Evan. You're making me do all this stuff. I'm in the middle of trying to put I'm trying to put a show on here. And now we're logging out everything. I mean, I don't know if this is still loaded, or let me try switching to a different contract. Go to minis. We'll see how far it goes back. Squirrel. I mean, this looks like it's loading a lot of information. Well, Evan was saying his is only loading a week, so let's see. Did this really load 10 years? I mean, I'm all the way back in... I mean, it's loading more. I don't know if I don't think it's loading off my disk, so... Must be your Rhythmic or something. Yeah, for sure. I was just loading a bunch to see if it went past a week. I need to put this back on MNQ. I would love to see 350 taken out. Got 8 minutes till the boss starts talking. Yeah, I've never tried back testing with the rhythmic data. I just bought DX feed and use that data to back test. So I'm not sure. You're not going to like that it's a monthly payment, but I pay for the $19 a month one. And it gives me 2 years of tick data, which, like I've told you, tick data is the best, the most accurate. Somebody in the Quan Tower Discord said that they use DX feed, so that's why I've just went with them. But it's only $19 a month. I think it's worth it for the bots. $19 a month to back test something versus testing it live and losing way more than $19 is, I think, a good deal. You're liking the structure for longs or shorts or? Got another strong swing high up at 18,337. We came pretty close to it. 10 points away. But yeah, we'll see what happens with Powell speaking. Man, like a month ago. So something that really got me hooked on trading was GameStop back when it exploded, because I was a part of that. I bought when it was in like the 60s or 70s and rode it up to its highs, whatever that was. I think I had like 13 or 1500 in there, and it went up to like between like $8,000 and $11,000 or something like that. But I didn't sell. I just held it, and I've just kept up with it over the last couple of years. And like a year ago, I just ended up liquidating everything so I could put it in futures, which I ended up losing all of that. But a month ago, I saw it was down to only it was $10. I'm like, damn, I should put like $100 in there and just get 10 shares. And missed a good opportunity. Yesterday it went up to $40. It's probably going to keep going higher, but I put some money in a TradeStation account yesterday, but they're requiring me to have 2,000 margin to buy it. I'm like, what the hell? I just want a few shares. Damn, it's up to $53 right now. It opened at 64 and it was at $10 a month ago. It's so frustrating. Yeah, I wanted that 350 Alito, but wasn't going to hold it all morning. I'm going to see what, I just want to see what the market does here at 10, but I'm going to, right after that, I'm going to jump off. If you have a setup, I mean, in my opinion, just because there's news, it doesn't mean anything. Setups will still work. It just happens a lot quicker. We're in a 5-minute fair value gap here. Came pretty close back to the point of control here on Nasdaq. We'll see if we push through it or bounce off of that invisible line right there. And if we weren't already up more than but we're over 300, right? Yeah. I would throw a long on, why not? But I don't know. I feel like the longer the market's open, the harder it is to read. But I also just start second guessing myself. Am I going to? Can I put for the title of today's stream, can I add my funded trades or no, since those were before? Or do I need to only do what we did on this eval? I guess it would just be a full port, 7 or 8 minis. I think if the trade happens before I'm done streaming, then I can add it all. Because we went over the trade, I showed it, we talked about it. I just can't trade it after the stream and then come back and change it. Oh, 10 minis is 1 maxi. All right, so I feel weird even adding the eval because that's not even real. So 317 on we did 317 on this eval. 213 on 213 on my Apex funded. And 217 on the Bulanox funded, which comes out to 747. Big 747 flies across the screen. Hopefully not Boeing. Yeah, I'm not doing all that, Tyler. It's not that big of a deal. Well, I'll tell you about him. I'm not making a separate whole video. Actually, I was thinking about cutting back on the streaming here. What's up, Ouchie Faye? If you're looking to see how we're doing, green across the board, and I'm all done. I'm not taking anything else. I'm actually about to jump off of here. I wanted to see what we did at 10, and it looks like whatever Powell's saying, he wants the market to go down. No, maybe not. Maybe he wants to go back up. My ooh, damn, my PA is at 53. I really want to be at least 54 by Friday, which is, I mean, if we keep doing what we're doing, it's very doable. I just can't. I know I'm talking about it, but I have to not let that affect my trading. We can and will have red days. I just need to be prepared for them. ES does not look like it wants to go lower. Yeah. Maybe they're working up something big for later. Tomorrow we've got CPI. All right, gentlemen. My head's kind of hurting. There's nothing left to do. Except wish you all the best and be careful. But we will be back tomorrow and we'll do it all over again. If you guys want to join. All right, I'm out. You guys have a good one and talk to you guys in the AM.